Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to add some joint compound onto your drywall. And we can take a look at the sheetrock here. It's got a nail. We just got to make it look smooth like it is on this side over here. Perfect. It's not perfect, but it looks better than this. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add it. And this is the simplest way to do it. Instead of mixing it yourself, depending on how big the job is. So check this. You don't need much. This is my tray. You can use a pot. You really don't have to go and buy expensive equipment. It happens that I had this one already, so I'm gonna use it. I'll be using the Preform Professional Formula All-Purpose Joint Compound, and I have 2 knives or spatulas. It doesn't have to be fancy. I had these already. And I'm going to be using these because I already had them. If you went to the store, you could always buy a cheap one like this one. Maybe like $4. So anyway, let's get this going. I'm going to get a good piece. Put it on your tray. You're going to come down to the wall. And this one looks all beat up. Check it out. So it's easy. You just throw it on. Put it on the screws. You might say, this guy's making a mess. Well, I am. But see, and then you just smooth it out. Maybe there's a way or a certain texture you want your wall to have or shape, or that's up to you. For me, I just want it to look nice and no screws. Just something presentable. And well, I can keep on going, but I'm pretty sure you get the idea. After that, let it dry for a couple hours. Let it dry for a couple hours, and it's ready for paint. If you left it too thick, you could always go ahead and sand it down with a real fine sandpaper. I'm not gonna do that because it's just a restroom. It's all right. It's gonna get me through the year. I'm probably going to replace all the paneling and everything in this restroom anyway because it's an old one. But hopefully this helps. If you did like it, it won't hurt to like, share, subscribe. And thank you for watching. Alright guys, well this is, I'm all done with the texture. This took me about 5 minutes. It is not professional, I will tell you that. But it is going to do the job. After I throw the paint on, people will not notice. Check it out. So this right here, you can't see the screws anymore. And it's going to look something like that, but even better because I put a little bit more texture than here because I didn't have that much when I did this part. But anyway, I'll show you when I'm all done with when it dries off. I'll show you the end result of how it's going to look whenever it's done. And I'll see you then. So this is how the texture came out after the paint. So if you look really close, you can kind of tell a little bit, but if not, you can't even tell. Looks good. This is right here, the texture. Now I'm just gonna do trim all around it. I got the boards right here, and I'm just gonna do it with these nails to attach them and a hammer. So I'll show you the end result. Alright guys, so this is the end result of a little bit of trim work I did here, and the paint. Like I said, it's not professional, but it looks a lot better than it did when I bought this home. Any questions, let me know. I'd be glad to answer them. The type of board I used here, it's just a wood board, and I painted it gray, and that's it. If you like, give me a smile and we're good to go. All right.